So I just want to go over a couple of trades that I took. One that I used to pass the challenge, and then I'll go over the one that I used to pass the verification. So the one that I used to pass the challenge was pretty simple. Nasdaq was in a downtrend that day. Let's see, I think it was it was last Friday. Just double check. Yeah, no, the 7th actually. So. Yep. So it was a pretty simple scalp. We reacted off this extreme, and then we dipped down, and we came back up to the extreme. I took an initial short here, and it had a change of character right there. Broke the high, broke the low, and I also tried reshorting here. It didn't work out. Went up to the seconds, actually got a smaller entry here, and wrote it out until we cleared out the liquidity here. And yeah, I was pretty happy with the trade. It passed me my evaluation. Pretty straightforward higher time frame. And we were just reacting off we were in a 4-hour downtrend, and yeah, just was looking for a nice swing up, and we got that over here, and boom, pretty simple. And then the trade that I used to pass verification this week was also pretty simple. Yeah, so right now, we're in like a big uptrend that started from like a monthly order block. Yeah, I mean, this is early London. I figured that's just going for liquidity, and yeah, I took a risk entry off this order block. Not necessarily an SND flip, but it was just like a nice liquidity grab plus, and yeah, I mean, obviously, like, we had these like supply zones here, and I just went ahead and took profit once it hit the supply. I was thinking it was probably going to like mitigate, like clear this high as well, because this ended up being like a weak-ish. This ended up being a weak high because this low failed to like break the Asia range or whatever. So yeah, I mean, that was a pretty simple trade, and yeah. I'll do a recap for next week going into the funded account at the end of this week. So yep.